Optical Illusions by Oscar, Amelie and Juliette.
In this presentation, we will be looking at paradoxes. Paradoxes are pictures that your brain sees differently from the real image.
Optical illusions are pictures that play tricks on our eyes and baffle our perception. They are not the result of faulty vision. Depending on light, viewing angle, or the way the picture is drawn, we might see things that aren't there.
Illusions have been intentionally incorporated as architectural elements since the ancient Greeks, usually to counter the effects of visual distortion. The most famous example is the Greek Parthenon.
The goblet illusion is an example of an ambiguous optical illusion. It is very important that your visual system can interpret patterns on your retina in terms of external objects. To do this, it needs to be able to distinguish objects from their background, which most of the time is quite easy.
In more recent times, many more optical illusions have been created and implemented in the graphic arts. Among these are so-called impossible objects, which make a unique and fairly new strand in the world of illusions. Another impossible object is a space fork. One notices in the picture that 3 prongs miraculously turns into 2 prongs. The problem arises from an ambiguity in depth perception. Your eye is not given the essential information necessary to locate the parts, and the brain cannot make up its mind about what it is looking at.